Managing multiple online stores can feel overwhelming. Logging into different platforms, updating inventory manually, and keeping track of orders, it's a time-consuming nightmare. With OneCart, say goodbye to the hassle. Instantly sync your inventory across all your selling channels in real time. No more overselling, no more guesswork. Need to manage product listings across multiple stores? OneCart makes it effortless. Update, optimize, and control your listings, all from a single dashboard. Process all your orders in one place, without switching between multiple store dashboards. Faster processing means faster fulfillment and happier customers. Want to grow smarter? OneCart's powerful reports give you full visibility into your business performance, sales trends, and SKU profitability, fully customizable to your needs. Need SKU performance data, profit margins, sales growth trends? OneCart delivers it instantly across all platforms. And that's not all. OneCart offers even more powerful features to streamline your business, but we can't cover them all in this short video. Want to see how OneCart can revolutionize your e-commerce business? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and discover more.